Welcome back to my channel, and we are asked to evaluate this polynomial function. And when we look at this polynomial function, we can always apply the sum rule, right? Can always apply the sum rule. Let me write it. Solution said sum rule. Sum rule. So this is going to be, you just have to separate them. You have 4x power 5 plus 6 dx plus the integral of 6x squared dx, then minus the integral of 3x dx plus the integral of 8 dx. Okay, so we just separate them. So basically what you have to do here, this is going to give you 4x power 4 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, because this is, you are going to use power rule, right? Then plus 6x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Then minus, we have 3x1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, because this x has the power of 1. So here we now say plus 8x0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1. Then we now put our constant of integration, which is c. So from this, you can easily simplify. So we have 4 multiplied by x to the power of 6 over 6 plus 6 multiplied by x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 3 multiplied by x to the power of 2 by 2, then plus 8 to the power of x1 over 1, then plus c. So you might not write 1, okay? But if you can, there's no issue. So we can simplify this. This is going to give us 2x power 6 over 3 plus, this is going to cancel this. We have 2x power 3. Then we have minus 3x squared over 2, then plus 8x plus c. And that is how to evaluate